How to do keyword research for YouTube in Semrush. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. But first, if you're just starting out with Semrush, I recommend that you go down to the description. You should be able to find a link which is going to give you a 14-day pro trial instead of the usual 7. So this is going to be very helpful for you. Make sure you go down to the description and get started in there. Now, how do we actually do keyword research for YouTube? It's a little bit different from the usual one. So let's just go and get to it. First, you want to open up your Semrush account and go to the SEO tab, hover over it, and you simply just want to click on the keyword magic tool. This is going to be how you do keyword research in general. Most likely you're going to be visiting this tool right here. And now all you need to do really just add your keyword. So for example, I'm just going to go for ergonomic office chairs. So as you can see, this is a general keyword and it's just going to give you more detailed ones and so on, and you simply just want to hit search. So once you do that, it's just going to take you to this page, and this is going to show you a lot of different keywords, and these are going to be mostly keywords for posts rather than videos. So what we need to do is just one little extra step, which is going to be within the filters here. You have advanced filters. Make sure you click on that, and then you simply just want to click on the SERP features. Click on that, and we want to toggle 3 different things: the video one, the featured video one, and also the video carousel. Just check all 3 and you hit apply. Okay, so doing so basically just gives you more options to rank higher in Google, actually, because these mean basically that Google expects a video answer once someone actually searches for this. So this is basically why we did these filters. And now we're not done yet, because we can actually go ahead and see that there are some random keywords here that really wouldn't make sense. And basically we just wanted to do other filters as well, which is going to help us get the best possible keywords at the same time that it is going to be good for videos. So for example, here we can filter out the KD to be easy or possible. I would suggest to be somewhere in between there. You don't really want to go to the very easy tab. It could be a lot of keywords that don't really make a lot of sense. So just try to find a keyword between possible or easy. Easy is even best. And also try to get a specific higher volume if you can. And just like that, you're going to have plenty of keywords to choose from. And not only that, but you can also filter them by category here or groups, because you have this tab on the left side. For example, best, meaning it's going to include the word best in them, or back or top. It just depends on your keyword and what you actually want to include in it. And basically what you are going to be looking for is higher volume and lower KD. This is going to be the best possible keyword that you can get. So yeah, try to find that balance between volume, high and low KD. Okay, so I need to also note that the SERP features are not necessary to find proper keywords. Those are just optional. It's just going to make things better. But for example, if you're searching for a very niche topic, and once you actually filter out these video, future video, and video carousel, you may not get a lot of results anymore. And that's completely fine. You can just go in and turn them off, or at least just keep video. Maybe this is just going to make it a lot easier for you to find, but they're not necessary. So you can just go in and do research like this. Just search up a keyword, make sure you find the proper volume, KD. And by the way, if you click on any of these tabs, it's just going to make it so that it's from low to high or high to low. So we have a bunch of tools here that are going to help you out, especially the KD and volume. So yeah, it is extremely simple to find keywords for your YouTube video using Semrush. And if you like any keyword, you can just go in and click on it. It's going to give you more options as well. So yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.